Hello, welcome to Cooking Healthy. Today let's see how to make the rich veg biryani along with masala pappad. So let's start. First we need to boil the veggies. For that I am taking about 2 glasses of water. Next add some veggies, that is potato and peas, carrots and some cauliflower florets. Cook all these veggies along with the salt. Let's boil this. It takes about 5 minutes. Yes, let's check the softness. Yeah, it is perfect. Next, I'm taking about 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, let's add some spices. First goes star anise, some cinnamon and cloves. Next, add about 1 cup of onions and roast it well. I'm adding about half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Roast it well so that the raw flavor evaporates. Next we will add all the boiled veggies to this. So when we find all these veggies in the rice, we want it to be the masala veggies. So let's add some masala to this. That is about 2 tablespoons of biryani masala and about half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of chili powder. Let's mix all this well and keep it aside. Next, take about 2 glasses of water, add about half tablespoon of salt and about half tablespoon of oil. To this I am adding about 5 to 6 cloves and add the soaked basmati rice to this. Cook the rice till 90%. Now let's stain this and add some cold water to this. Next we will start layering the biryani. First I am taking rice. Now add some veggies on the top of it. Add a layer of rice. Next I am adding some chopped mint and coriander. Another layer of rice. Add some saffron water to this. Another layer of veggies, rice, Now I am adding about half teaspoon of biryani masala, because when we mix this rice it should give a nice taste. Next goes the fried onion. So this is how we need to layer it, one above the other. Add some melted coriander again. Onion rings. And some rice on the top. Yes. I'm adding some saffron water. Some chopped mint and coriander. Now let's steam cook this. We will close this with a lid. And I'm taking a bigger pan with about 1 glass of water. And I'm placing a stand inside this. This ensures that the biryani won't burn from the bottom. On the top, let's keep this. We need to steam cook this for about 20 to 25 minutes. By now, let's prepare some masala pappad. I have fried the pappads. Next, add some chili powder on this. Next goes the finely chopped onion. Some grated carrots. Next, some finely chopped tomatoes. And coriander. Add some salt on this. Lastly, we will flavor it off with some lime juice and chaat masala. Yes, the masala pappads are ready now. Now we will check the rice. Yes, it smells awesome and the biryani and masala pappads are ready now.